Welcome to the best picks. The best 4-wheel backpack is probably one of the most versatile travel companions you can find, blending the convenience of a backpack with the ease of rolling luggage. This video will dive deep into the world of 4-wheel backpacks, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out in a crowded market. We'll cover everything from design and functionality to durability and value, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Rockland 17-inch Rolling Backpack. Introducing the Rockland Rolling Backpack. This backpack is designed for convenience and durability. It's perfect for students and travelers alike. This backpack measures 12 by 8 by 20 inches, including the wheels, offering ample space for your belongings. It has plenty of room for books, laptops, and other essentials. The double wheels provide smooth and stable rolling. This feature makes it easy to navigate through crowded spaces and over various terrains. It features a front pocket with an organizer to keep your items neatly arranged. You can easily access your pens, phone, and other small items. The side mesh pockets are perfect for water bottles or quick access items. Plus, the padded shoulder straps ensure comfortable carrying when needed. What we like. This backpack features double wheels for smooth rolling and a front organizer to keep your essentials in order. It also has padded shoulder straps for comfortable carrying when you need it. If you're looking for a basic, reliable rolling backpack for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. It fits all of my belongings for my 2 classes that I could never physically carry on my back. 3 main pockets, 2 sides pockets for water bottles. Handle extends to a long length and locks in place, and it easily compacts again. Number 4. MATEIN 17-inch Rolling Laptop Backpack. This rolling backpack features 3 compartments for optimal organization. The main compartment is perfect for clothing, while a padded sleeve protects your laptop. It also has multiple pockets for accessories. The backpack includes front and side pockets for easy access to essentials. The front pockets are perfect for small items, and the side pockets are ideal for water bottles. It keeps everything organized and within reach. With 4-wheel spinners, it offers smooth 360-degree movement. This travel backpack also features hidden shoulder straps. You can easily switch between rolling and carrying. Made from water-resistant polyester, this rolling backpack is built to last. It also has a reinforced handle for smooth operation. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. This rolling backpack is perfect for business trips, college, and outdoor activities. Its spacious design and sturdy construction make it ideal for all your needs. It's a great carry-on luggage option. What we like. This backpack boasts 4-wheel spinners for effortless maneuverability and multiple compartments to keep everything organized. It's also made from water-resistant fabric, protecting your belongings. If you are a frequent traveler who values organization and ease of movement, this is the perfect companion. What people say. Perfect as a carry-on in an airplane and lots of compartments to keep everything organized. It is easy to use and has enough compartments to carry all of my personal belongings. Sumamente prática, comoda y ligera. Levo laptop, y otros objetos de trabajo y alguna cobija sin problema. Number 3. ZOMFELT Rolling Backpack with Wheels. This rolling backpack easily transforms from a carry-on to a wheeled backpack. It features a durable aluminum alloy rod and concealable shoulder straps. You can switch between the 2 styles with ease. Included are 3 extra packing bags to keep your belongings organized. There are 2 clothes storage bags and a wet-dry separation bag. This helps keep everything neat and tidy. The laptop bag has a dedicated compartment for laptops up to 17.3 inches. It also includes a main compartment for clothes, a zippered compartment for files, and quick access pockets. This makes it easy to find what you need. It's TSA friendly, allowing you to quickly pass through security. The backpack is made of waterproof, anti-tear polyester. Reinforced edges and a steel frame ensure it can handle heavy loads. This 40L duffel bag is suitable for various uses, from business trips to weekend getaways. The telescoping handle adjusts to 2 heights. It's perfect for travelers over 12 years old. What we like. This rolling backpack comes with packing cubes to keep your items organized and a TSA-friendly design for easy airport navigation. It also has concealable straps, allowing you to switch between rolling and carrying. If you like to stay organized and value convenience during your travels, you should consider this one. What people say. I was able to effortlessly wheel it around the airport, and when I needed to quickly sling it over my shoulder to catch a bus, it worked seamlessly. I really like the packing bags, they are a great way to keep my clothes organized. The wheels are still spinning and the handle is intact. Number 2. Everki Atlas Wheeled Laptop Backpack. This 30L rolling backpack measures 21.3 by 15.7 by 8.1 inches. It fits laptops up to 16.5 by 11.1 by 1.5 inches, making it ideal for businessmen and travelers. It includes a removable, soft felt-lined sleeve for 13 to 17.3-inch devices. The TSA checkpoint-friendly design, durable zippers, and metal pulls make it a great travel companion. This wheeled travel backpack features dedicated spaces to keep your devices and personal items organized. It's designed to keep everything in place while you travel. Whether at the office or traveling, this backpack is a standout. Stylish and functional, it's perfect for men on the go who value practicality. Constructed with quality materials, this rolling laptop backpack features durable, quiet wheels and a retractable handle. It also has an external water bottle pocket, making it an ideal carry-on. What we like. This backpack features an adjustable compartment for laptops up to 17.3 inches and a TSA checkpoint-friendly design. It also has durable, quiet wheels and a retractable handle. If you're a business professional or a frequent traveler who values convenience and organization, it's an excellent choice. What people say. The wheels are smooth and quiet. The telescoping handle is sturdy and easy to use. The backpack has plenty of storage space and compartments. Number 1. TUMI Alpha Deluxe 4-Wheeled Laptop Case Brief. This is the TUMI Alpha Deluxe, a wheeled laptop case designed for the modern traveler. It combines sleek design with ultimate functionality, making it the perfect companion for your business trips. With its 4-wheeled design, it glides effortlessly through airports and hotel lobbies. The smooth rolling wheels and telescoping handle ensure easy maneuverability, even when fully packed. Need more room? This briefcase features an expandable design, providing extra packing capacity when you need it. It easily accommodates your essentials and more. The case is designed to protect your laptop. It offers a dedicated compartment to keep your device secure and safe from bumps and scratches. This travel briefcase is more than just a bag, it's a statement. It's designed to make your travel experience more organized and stylish. Crafted with TUMI's signature quality and durability, this case is built to last. It's a reliable travel companion that you can depend on for years to come. What we like. This rolling laptop case has an expandable design, allowing you to increase its capacity when needed. It's made with durable materials and has a professional look. If you are looking for a premium, stylish, and functional rolling briefcase, this is the one for you. What people say. Well designed and well built. Perfect size, works with precision for movements close to you when going through the airport. Surprise, it came with a laptop bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.